Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the defect repair. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, defect repair refers primarily to the point in the project life cycle at which the project leader, project management team, or the individual who has been assigned the responsibility of the specific component in question has gone on to identify a specific defect within a project management, referred to as fault, imperfection, or deficiency within the specific project management, and is now at this point acting to correct the situation through either the repair is now at this point acting to correct the situation through either the repair or replacement of the component. The process of defect repair is twofold. First, the project team must assess the situation and make a careful determination as to whether or not the specific defect within the component can be repaired. If it is unable to be repaired, then the component must be replaced entirely, usually but not always the more expensive option. When a determination is made as to whether the component should be repaired or replaced, a recommendation typically must be presented in writing to either the project team or mass of the financially responsible party. A defect repair is an intentional activity to modify a non-conforming product or product component. Defect repair is the process of repairing or replacing the defective part as needed. It is instant and you must act immediately once you identify a defect. The process is performed when the product or a deliverable does not meet the quality requirements. For example, during an inspection, you find a discrepancy in the deliverable and the deliverable is not conforming to the requirement. A defect is also known as a fault, error, deficiency, or imperfection. If you can correct the defect, do it immediately. If not, replace the deliverable. Many experts call defect repair corrections or rework. Example of defect repair. Let's say you are manufacturing rods that are 10 meter long. During the inspection, you find that the length of one rod is 10.5 meter. As per the quality requirement, this product is not acceptable. Therefore, you remove this rod from the lot and replace it with another correct rod. The defect repair process is immediate and reactive, and it is a straightforward fix. Defect repair process. Defect repair is a two-step process. In the first step, you will assess if the deliverable meets the quality standards or not. If the deliverable does not meet the quality requirements, you will calculate the cost of repairing it. If the cost of repairing is less than the cost of the deliverable, you will repair the deliverable. But if the repair cost is more than the deliverable, you will replace the deliverable. In some cases, the deliverable cannot be repaired, so you will replace it regardless of the cost. Defect repair versus corrective and preventive action. You might have heard of the two more terms in quality management, corrective and preventive actions. These terms are different from a defect repair. In quality management, corrective action is a future response to the defect repair process. This forward-looking next step ensures that the error will not occur again. Corrective action is an intentional activity that realigns the performance of the work with the plan. Preventive action is an intentional activity that ensures the future performance of the project work is aligned with the project management plan. Preventive action improve the process to help avoid future defects. Defect repair correct non-conformity in the deliverable or replace the part completely. It is a reactive process performed during the inspection by quality control personnel. Defect repair provides feedback so it can be used as a preventive and corrective action to stop errors from occurring again. When the product or deliverable does not meet the quality plans or requirements, defect repair process should be implemented. You replace or repair the defective part of the product in this process. For instance, let's say that you are manufacturing auto spare parts. You notice that some of your products are beyond the quality limits. Their thickness is greater than the others. You will make an inspection and decide if can be repaired. If it is possible, you will take action to correct them. If it is not possible to repair, you will replace them. Defect repair example. Upon preliminary inspection of the concrete strength, we find that the strength is lower than planned. We asked our batch engineer to change the mix design. This is a defect repair. Corrective actions and preventive actions are activities done to provide the project performance to align with the baseline and have no direct relationship to the quality of the outputs. But defect repair activities have direct relationships to the quality of the outputs. In this simple example, bringing a high capacity batch plant, finding another supplier for silica fume, and improving the corrective strength are under the responsibility of the project team. These actions would not affect the project scope and baselines. However, if the client changes the design or demands to increase the thickness of the concrete, that would be a scope change and the baseline would be updated. In project management, change requests may involve preventive actions, corrective actions, and defect repair. However, in scope changes, you may update the project scope, baseline schedule, and baseline budget. Preventive actions, corrective actions, and defect repair should not be used to justify a baseline change. Then defect repairs are implemented when the product or deliverable does not meet the documented quality requirement. A defect is any non-conformance in the work product to the stated needs and specification. A defect can be a fault or inconsistency or imperfection that affect the function of a deliverables or a component or the whole system actually. So now friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.